Hello student, 4th standard maths, 7 topic division. 7 topic division. Previous year we learned the division. Okay. Now division is a repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction. Division's meaning what? Repeated subtraction. See here. "25 divided by 5. See, 5 table have 25. 5 ones are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5 5s are 25. But you want there 0 in a subtraction. That time what you do? 25 minus 5, 20. This is a one time. 25 minus 5, 15. 20 minus 5, 15. Second time. 15 minus 5, got their answer 10. Third time. 10 minus 5, 5. Fourth time. And 5 minus 5, fifth time. Means you got their answer. You call that one quotient. You call that one quotient. This number dividend. This number you call dividend. And here remainder. Call that number remainder. And this is a divisor. You call this number divisor. Understand? Now, see in the subtraction, you want there 0 is a remainder. That time how many times you do the minus? 5 times. Means you got there quotient. Now, your answer is correct. How do you recognize? Dividend is equal to quotient multiply by divisor plus remainder Quotient what? 5. Divisor what? 5. And remainder 0. And what is the dividend? 25. 5 5s are 25 plus 0 means 25. Understand? This answer is your correct. This is your formula for the check your answer. Check your answer. Understand? Now, in there, two properties are there. Zero dividend means here zero dividend is there. That time answer is always 0. Okay. Any one number divided by 1 means divisor is 1. That time answer is write dividend. Write a dividend. And any one number dividend and divisor also same, then answer is 1. That time answer is 1. That time answer is 1. Understand? All of you understand now? Okay. Now open your textbook. Exercise. Find the quotient. 7 divided by 7. Any one number, dividend and divisor also same. That time answer is 1. Any one numbers, dividend 0. Answer is 0. Same as it is. And any one number divided by 1. Answer is that number. Understand? All of you understand now how to do? All of you understand? Now, question number 2. What is the quotient when a number is divided by itself? What is the quotient when a number is divided by itself? Answer is 1. Answer is 1. Means 3 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3. What is the quotient when a number other than 1 is divided by 1? What is the quotient when a number other than 1 is divided by 1? That number itself, but here is 1. What is the quotient when 0 is divided by non-zero number? 0. All of you understand now? What is the quotient? When 0 is a divisor number, any one number divided by 0, answer is always 0. Okay. Next one. Write 2 division sentences, each multiplication sentences. Write 2 division sentences for each multiplication sentences. See here, given question you 8 multiplied by 7, 56. Okay. That time you divided by first factor. 8 sevens are 56. Yeah, you divided by second factor. 7 8s are 56. Means when you do the division sentence, that time product divided by first factor, product divided by second factor. Understand? All of you understand now? Now, open your textbook. Question number 3. Write 2 division sentence for each multiplication sentences. 5 4s are 20. So, 20 divided by first factor 5 is equal to 4. And 20 divided by 4 is equal to, answer is first factor. And when you divide it by first factor, answer is a second factor. Understand? 6 sevens are 42. 6 multiplied by 7 is equal to 42. 42 divided by 6, answer is second factor, means 7. And 42 divided by second factor, answer is first factor. 72 divided by 9, answer is 8. And 72 divided by 8, answer is 9. Understand? D, E, F is your homework. Fourth one question. Divide. How to divide it? I teach only one example. Now also I teach you. Okay. 63 divided by 7. How to write the question? 63 in the chart. How to write? 63. Write there divided mark and 7. 7, say the 7 table. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 40, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63. How to say na 7 nines are 63? And what is the answer? Nines are. Understand? Second one example, 63 divided by 9. 63 divided by 9. How to do? 63 divided by 9. 9 sevens are 63. Answer is 7. Understand? Now, see the question. Question number 4, divide. 28 divided by 4. Say the 4 table. When come the 28? 4 sevens are 45 divided by 5. 5 nines are 64 divided by 8. 8 eights are 54 divided by 9. 9 six are 54 divided by 6. 6 nines are 54. 40 divided by 8. 8 fives are 40. G and H is your homework. Okay. 9. Next. Write the answer in the blank. Solve mentally. Solve mentally. The dividend is 872 and the quotient is 1. What is a divisor? Any one number divided by that number, that time answer या quotient is always 1. Means 872 divided by 872. What is a divided? 872. The divisor is a 10, quotient is a 10. What is the dividend? Divisor is a 10. See. Divisor is a 10. Quotient is a also 10. And what is the dividend? You got their answer? Dividend is equal to divisor multiplied by dividend plus remainder. Here remainder is not given. Divisor multiplied by quotient. 10 tens are 100. Understand? The dividend is a 1. Quotient is a 1. What is a divisor? 1. All is 1. The divisor is a 4. Quotient is a 1. Any one numbers divided by that number, that time quotient is a 1. What is the dividend? 4. Ramu and his 3 friends share 16 orange. What is the fair share each child? 16 orange is there, but how many there? Ramu 1 and he have friend 3, 4. 4 fours are 16 na? 4 members are there. Orange is 16. 16 is a dividend. 4 is a divisor. 16 divided by 4. Answer is 4. Sarah has 64 plums. She puts 8 plums into each basket. How many baskets does she use? Sarah, how many plums? 64. She puts 8 plums in each basket. Means how many basket is there? 8. How many basket that she used? 8 plums in one basket. 64 is there. 64 divided by 8. 8 8s are 64. How many baskets she used? 8 basket. Right there, 8 basket. Okay. There are 100 trees in 10 rows. All the rows have equal numbers of trees. How many trees are there in each row? How many together trees there? 100. And there are how many rows? 10. Means 100 divided by 10. 10 tens are 100. How many trees are there in each row? 10 trees. 10 trees. Understand? All of you understand now? Now, next one. Division of 2, 3 and 4 digit numbers by 1 digit number. By 1 digit number. Previous year we learned there 2, 3 digits numbers divided by 1 digit number. Now also same as it is. Now also same as it is. See. 7.2. 1, 2 example I teach you. Okay. 1, 2, 3 example I teach you. How to do. All of you behind the tables now. If you behind the tables, we learn easily. If you don't behind the table, you don't learn easily. All times you want to see table and then the solve. So behind the table. First one example. 4418 divided by 6. Divided by 6. Okay. Now how to do? First you start from the first one number. You start from the first one number. First number which? 4. First number which? 4 is there. Okay. And their divisor number is a 6. First you compare first number and divisor number. First you compare first number and divisor number. 4 and 6. Which is the big? 6 is a biggest number. 6 is a biggest number. So when you write 6 ones are 6, 4 minus 6 is possible? No. What you do? You take a next number also. You take a 2 digits. You take a 2 digits here. Now 44. 44 in a 6 table. Right here 6 table. See, 44 is in a 6 table. No, 42 and 48 is here. 44 small number you take. Which is the 44 small number? 42. But 6 which? 7s are na? 6 7s are na? 6 7s are 42. How to read? 6 7s are 7 right here. And 42 right here. Answer right here. 4 minus 2? 2. 4 minus 4? 0. Then next number you take, write down. You write down next number, only one number. 21. 21 also see here in 6 table. No, here is a 24. 24 is a coming after. Yeah, 24 is a greatest number. So you take first small number 18. 6 3s are 18. 18, 19, 20, 21, 3. Last number you write down. Next step 38. 38. 38 is in a 6 table. No. 42 is there. 36 is there. 30 is there. So 6 6 are 36 you take. 6 6 are 36. And what is the remainder here? 2. What is the quotient? 736. 4418 divided by 6. Their answer is 736 is quotient and 2 is a remainder. Now you also check your answer. Dividend is equal to quotient multiply by divisor plus remainder. Okay. What is the quotient? 736 divided by 6 plus 2. What is the dividend? 4418. 6 6 are 36. 3 is a carry. 6 3 is a 18. 19, 20, 21. 2 is a carry. 6 7 are 42 plus 2, 44. You got their answer? Okay. Now 715 divided by 4. First one number 7. Divisor number is 4. 4 ones are 4. 7 minus 4 is possible na? Yes. So write there 4 ones are 4. 7 minus 4 3. Next number write down 31. 4 sevens are 28. 4 sevens are 28. 29, 30, 31, 3. 35. 4 6 are 24. In 4 table have 35 is there. 4 9s are 36. 4 8s are 32. 36 and 32. Which is the small? 32. So 4 8s are 32. Understand how to do? All of you understand now? Okay. Now open your textbook. Page number 97. 89. Find the quotient and remainder and verify your answer. 89 divided by 2. 89 divided by 2. Okay. First one number take 8. 2 4s are 8. 0. 2 4s are 8. Now 89 is equal to 44 multiplied by 2 plus 1. 88 plus 1 is equal to 89. 89 is equal to 89. Means your answer is correct. Correct. Understand? B1 your homework. Next one. 934 divided by 2. First one number 9. 9 and 2 compare their divisor number and dividend first number. Where start the reading number? That number take. Okay. 9 and 2. Which is the big? 9 is a big. And 2 is a small. So this is a possible for the division. 2 4s are 8. 1. 2 6 are 12. Next number write down. 2 7s are 14. 0 0. Verify the answer. 934 467 multiply by 2. Carry 1 13. 934 934. D is your homework. Okay. D and E is your homework. Now first one, F1 2550 divided by 2. 2550 divided by 2. First one number compare. 2 ones are 2. Next one number write as it is. 2 2s are 4. Next number write. 2 7s are 14. 10. Next number write. 1. Next number write 10. 2 5s are 10. Now you compare. 5 2s are 10. 0. Carry 1. 7 2s are 14. 15. Carry 1. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5. And 2 1s are 2. Right. You got their answer. Understand? Both sides are same. Okay. Question number 2. Solve the following in your notebook and verify the answer and verify your answer. See. First one, write. First one, you write on there in your notebook topic name division, then page number 98. Page number 98. Question number 2, write this question. Okay, that one, first one. 91 divided by 7. How to do? 91 divided by 7. First one number compare 7 and 9. 9 is a big. So 7 ones are 7. 9 minus 7, 2. 7 threes are 21. And how to verify the answer? Dividend is equal to quotient multiply by divisor plus remainder. 13 sevens are 91. Both sides are same, means your answer is correct. B1 is your homework. Next one, C1. 915 divided by 5. 915 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. 4. 5 eights are 14. 5 threes are 15. Now how to compare the answer, verify the answer? 915 quotient multiply by divisor plus remainder. 5 threes are 15, carry 1. 8 5 eights are 40 plus 1 41. 4 is a carry, 5 ones are 5 plus 4 9. 915 915 means your answer is correct. D is your homework. Now even 1349 divided by 7. 1349 divided by 7. First one number which? Thousands place number 1. 1 and 7. Which is the big? 7 is the big. 1 is the smallest number than the 7. You take there two numbers. 7 ones are 7. 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7. 6. Next one number you write, carry down. Okay, next number write, carry down. 64. 7 8s are 56. 7 9s are 63. 7 9s are 63. 1. 7 2s are 14. 5. Now you compare the answer. Dividend, verify the answer. Quotient multiply by divisor plus remainder. 7 2s are 14, carry 1. 7 9s are 50. 63. 63 plus 1, 4. 64. 6. 7 ones are 7. 13 plus 5. 49. 13 49. Okay. Check your answer. Both sides are same. Understand how to do? FGH is your homework. Okay, FGH is your homework. Now 0 in the quotient. When come the 0 in the quotient? How to do? Okay. This is I take next video. This is I take to the next video. Okay. Today's homework, page number 95, 96, 97 and 98. This question completed. Okay. Thank you.